Still using the same old sentences? Watch this video.
Go to bed. Hit the hay. Study hard. Hit the books. Very tired. Dead tired. Very good. Top notch. Start working. Get down to business. Relax. Chill out. I'm not sure. I'm on the fence. I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. I'm joking. I'm pulling your leg. Be careful. Watch out. Don't get angry. Take it easy. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. It's expensive. It costs an arm and a leg. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. I'm listening. I'm all ears. I'm very hungry. I'm famished. It's not my problem. It's not my cup of tea. Good luck. Break a leg. I'm nervous. I've got butterflies in my stomach. My love. My boo.
Did you like this video? Comment your suggestions.